Namaste. How are you all? As you know, we are still following the lockdown announced by our government. We still cannot meet you at the school. So, we will continue our learning through the YouTube videos. Okay, children? In the last video, I showed you how to read the poem. I think you read well and practiced well. Okay, children? Today I will give an explanation of the poem Chula. In this poem, the child tells his mother about his willingness to play on the swing. अम्मा आज लगा दे झूला, अम्मा आज लगा दे झूला, इस झूले पर मैं झूलूंगा, इस पर चढ़कर ऊपर बढ़कर आसमान को मैं झूलूंगा, आसमान को मैं झूलूंगा। हाँ, चलिए बच्चों, इस कविता के अर्थ समझेंगे और पढ़ेंगे। In the first stanza, the boy asked his mother to set up the swing, and he tells his mother, I want to play on the swing. I will swing up and down, and I want to touch the sky. इस कविता में बच्चा अपनी माँ से कहता है कि अम्मा आज लगा दे झूला, अम्मा आज मेरे लिए झूला लगा दो, मैं उस झूले पर झूलना चाहता हूँ, उस झूले पर बैठकर मैं ऊपर नीचे झूलना चाहता हूँ और मैं आसमान को छूना चाहता हूँ। Let us see the explanation for the next stanza. झूला झूल रही है डाली, झूल रहा है पत्ता पत्ता, इस झूले पर बड़ा मजा है, चल दिल्ली ले चल कलकत्ता, चल दिल्ली ले चल कलकत्ता। The boy is telling that he is having so much fun and he feels that the green leaves around him are also swinging along with him, and he wants to go to Delhi and Calcutta using that swing. हाँ, बच्चा जब डालने वाले झूलने पर बैठता है तो उसको ऐसा लगता है कि उसके साथ हरे पत्ते झूल रहे हैं और उस बच्चे को झूले पर बैठकर बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है। बच्चा कहता है कि मुझे दिल्ली और कलकत्ता ले चल। Let us see the explanation for the next stanza. झूल रही नीचे की धरती, उड़ चल उड़ चल उड़ चल उड़ चल, बरस रहा है रिमझिम रिमझिम, उठकर मैं लूटूं दल बादल, उठकर मैं लूटूं दल बादल। In this stanza, the boy says that he feels like flying on the sky. When he looks below, the ground is also moving along with him, and he could see the rain in the sky, and he wishes to loot the clouds. बच्चा जब झूल रहा है तो उसे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आसमान में उड़ रहा है और उसके साथ नीचे की धरती भी हिल रही है। आसमान से रिमझिम रिमझिम बारिश हो रही है और उसे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आसमान के बादलों को लूट ले। My dear children, there are some things that you should understand. This poem is exaggerating the fun in playing on the swing. Children, can you touch the sky while playing on the swing? Can you travel to Delhi or Calcutta using a swing? Or can anyone touch the clouds and loot them? Of course, we cannot. That is not possible. But these are the imaginations of the poet. Every poem will have such imaginations that adds to the beauty of the poem. Such poems will help you to improve your imagination and creativity. Understand, children? Understood? Okay. Thank you.